Hello and welcome. In this video I want to show you a macro useful for formatting text. From time to time we need to format text on the drawing. In this situation, for this example, we will have two languages written on the text, and I want the first language on 3.5mm height and the second one will be on 2.5 height, and I want to be with uppercase written. In this situation we have English and Romanian. Basically I already create the macro. I will just select the text and then just run it, and now we will see our macro do the thing. Basically we need to have a separator. In my situation I use two slashes. How this one works: we have a script, a cat script. Basically it's a text file with the cat script extension. We have here the CATIA procedure. First three are variables related to CATIA and drawing objects. Then we define the selection, and after the selection definition we have a loop. Inside this loop basically we format our text. We will check if the separator it's inside the text, and if it's inside the text then we will set the 3.5 height for the text. Then we will split it. Then we will manage each splitted part to our own needs. Basically the second one will be uppercase, transform and added with the separation at the 2.5mm height. Here we have a function useful for this string manipulation. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video.